Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today, I'd like to show you how I made these Glam DIY fall pumpkins. Pumpkin, you're going to need a styrofoam pumpkin that I purchased from, I believe, Dollar Tree or Dollarama. And what I'm doing right here is I'm actually making a hole in the center of it, about 1 inch wide and about 2 inches deep. I'm just using a juicer to cut through the styrofoam. Once you've achieved the size hole that you wanted, now it's time to wrap the pumpkin in the fabric. The way I'm doing it, I would not suggest that you do this. After doing this one, I did another one, and I found that once you've tucked it in, reach for the fabric directly across from the area that you tucked. I find that gives you a much smoother looking pumpkin than what I've achieved, because as you can see, now I have to do a lot of adjust. So what I'm doing here now is I'm gluing the stem. As you can see, I've already put glitter on the stem prior to recording this video. So I'm just going to glue the stem into the hole that I've made. And once I've done that, I'm going to continue on with the embellishments. Now this is the second pumpkin that I'm going to do, and you're going to see that I'm going to do basically the same thing. Glue the embellishments on, and then once I've finished, I'll just show you guys how it all looks. I had a hard time finding Glam pumpkins, and so that is why I decided to do my own. Okay, you guys, and this is how they came out. Once I'm finished doing my other DIYs, I have a few more that I'd like to do. Then I will probably do a entry hall tour. This is not the way it's going to be displayed, but I just did this just to show you guys how it looks. I'd like to thank you for watching my video, and if you like what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. And once again, it's Carol from Inspiredby, and thank you so much, and have yourself a great day.